walk that walk. I only speak facts. None of these bitches is seeing me, and that's just that on that. Stay down 10 toes, I'm a real bitch. I don't play around, I walk in and kill shit. Big Cuban on my neck, cause a whole brick. Made myself a boss, now I'm a rich bitch. I'm a rich bitch.
What's good? What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I am Destiny Ronika. If you do not know me or don't know of my existence, then that means you are not subscribed. And why are you not subscribed? So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and become one of my best friends, because I love my best friends and all my best friends love me, and that's on period. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post another freaking video. So yeah, I'm back with the red hair. Stop playing. Stop playing. But anyway, you guys, if you read the title and saw the thumbnail, then you already know what this video is about to be about. I'm going to be touring my beautiful hair room slash beauty room, YouTube room, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, hold on. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a tour of the room. Disclaimer, my room is not complete yet, but I am kind of sort of satisfied with what it looks like as of right now. But I still have lots and lots of things that I want to do with it, like, or whatever. I have things I want to add. You know, I got to get stuff for my walls because my walls are very plain. So yeah, but so this is not a complete tour, like a completed tour, but it's like a sneak peek or a semi-finished tour, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, before we get into the video, make sure you like this video up, subscribe to my channel, click that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post another video. Spam the comments with, you know, more videos you guys like to see me do, or whatever you want to call it. DM me, follow me on all my social medias, which will be in the description box below as always. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. Guys, this is the door to my room. So yeah, hold on. Disregard this. This is the door to my room. So when you come, this is the hallway. So when you come out the hallway, this is the door to my room. This is my bathroom right here. This is my bedroom. And this is an overview of what it looks like so far. So yeah, this is just a little overview of what it looks like so far. So basically, let me just close this door because I don't want to hear it. Yeah, okay. So basically, let's just come to this side because this is like my hair area. Let me turn the ring like this way so you can get. Here come Tez.
Man, don't be closing my door. I'm closing my door right here, I told you.
Can I film my video? Your TV loud, that's why I closed the door.
I said turn my TV down.
Okay, turn it down. I told you already.
Yeah, you told me that. We don't close no door.
Yeah, he been bothering me all day. He don't never talk to me this much.
Yeah.
You just want, if you want to be in my video, just say that.
Video? What kind of video you finna do?
I'm touring my room.
Oh, I bet you ain't heard no funny.
No, you just.
Damn.
Don't mess with my hair. Ooh. Ooh. Anyway, y'all, like I was saying, this is basically my hair area right here, as you guys can see. So as you all see these butterflies right here on the wall. So basically, I know a lot of people have like a flower wall, but I want to be different. So I got these butterflies. I ordered them off Amazon, you know, and they are 3D butterflies. They are not stickers. So yeah, I ordered that. So basically, when I take my clients' pictures, they stand in front of these butterflies, you know, so I can have like a little pretty little background, something. I'm gonna order some more because I want it to be like bigger than what it is. So yeah, right here is everything that I use to do hair. So basically, this is my braiding rack. This is for when I do knotless braids or whatever, you know. This is just used to separate the hair. I'm gonna order me another one because I need another one. This is my rolling cart, which is all the things that I use when I braid hair. So basically, on the top, I basically have my combs, my scissors, my what's that thing called? Crochet needles, We have some nail glue. The nail glue is used for when I do butterfly locks and soft locks and any kind of locks. I have some hair clips, a wig brush. I have extra combs right here. One of my butterflies fell off the wall. I have my edge control, which is edge booster, the green kind, only kind that I use. And I have some shine jam. I have to try to stay stocked up on this, so I need to go to the hair store so I can get some more. And then right here I just have rubber bands and scrunchies and stuff. And yeah, that's that. On the second one, I just have the towel that I use when after I dip their hair, and then I have my kettle. This is what it looks like. And yeah, I just use that for getting the water hot and stuff. I got that off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below if I can find it. And then on the bottom row, it's just some more hair supplies that I just put down here, like my Africa Best castor oil grease, and some more edge control, some style, eco style. Yeah, that's that. Right here I just have my bearing pillow there for decoration, but basically in this bin right here is braiding hair. Yeah, braiding hair. And then in this big box down here is like other brands of hair, like for faux locks and soft locks and all the other brands of hair right here. And this box is full. I need to get something else, probably something, you know, like a plastic bin instead of that box, but that's what we're working with so far. So yeah, this is just my little hair station right here. And then I have these three, move this ring light, I have these three pictures on the wall, as you guys can see. This one says hello gorgeous, cream de la cream, and then this is some lips. So I ordered these off Amazon. It came in 6, but I bought the what's the thing called, the picture frames from Dollar Tree, because they do not come with picture frames. So yeah. And then this right here, I just had this from my freshman year in college, and I just put it on the wall. But yeah, I'm sorry y'all, but let me show y'all. I don't have nobody recording a video for me, so yeah, that's that part. So now we're gonna go to right here, which is my vanity. Push my chair up. So yeah, this is my vanity or whatever, as you guys can see. So let's start right here. Ooh, y'all don't mind this, I'm alcoholic and I ain't forgot that it was here, but whatever. So this is my little shelf thingy, whatever you want to call it. I got it off Amazon. So basically I just have all my perfumes and lotions right here. Then I just have my 2 purses that can stand up like this, and that's my alcohol. So yeah, I don't really have nothing to put right there yet, so I just put my purse right there. But yeah, that's my perfumes and stuff. Then come to my desk, I have this little mirror right here that I got off Amazon. I think the battery's dead, the lights won't come on. This is just my favorite scents that I be using the most. Pretty as a Peach from Bath and Body Works. I just got this for this goes to my computer to transfer my videos from my camera to my phone. They're just some lashes. This is a bracelet that I bought from a girl from back home, and it just says MONTEZ. So I just had it sitting there. This is my other camera, my Canon M50. It's my ring, some more perfumes. This is a camera that Ted bought me. It's a Polaroid camera. I gotta give me some film paper so I can start using. I'll keep some hand sanitizer right here because y'all know coronavirus. These, oh, hold on y'all. Whatever, but I just keep my watches right there. And yeah, so basically the mirror, this was like a little DIY. So my mirror came from at home. It was like $30, and then I ordered the light bulbs from Amazon for like $19. It was either 14 or 19, and I just stuck them on there. As you guys can see, it has the string. So yeah, I had ordered a mirror from Amazon, a vanity mirror, but it came broken. So I was very, very upset. But I should have just did this from the beginning. Anyway, the desk came from at home as well. It was $179, and yeah, it's just this white desk with these gold accents, as you guys can see. So yeah, very cute. And then it has this drawer, which is a mess, so don't judge. But yeah, I just got an Apple Watch charger, some scrunchies, some head scarves and stuff, and earrings and everything else up in there. So yeah, just gonna close that back up. But yeah, you guys, and I gotta go. I'm going back to at home and get this white fur rolling chair that I saw, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that. So yeah, but this is my vanity area. And then right here is just another shelf thing that I got from Amazon, and this is just hair supplies and stuff like that I use on my natural hair. And then down here in these Shein bags, that's why I keep my wigs, y'all, because I ain't got nowhere to put them at. But I do put my wigs in these Shein bags so they won't be all tangled and stuff. So yeah, this area right here is my desk. So this is like my school area where I, you know, sit and do my work and stuff. So I got this little rose gold clock that was in my old apartment. If you know me, then you know. And these are two more of the pictures. This one just says boss lady, and this one says good things come to those who hustle. So I thought that was a good, you know, place to put them, right where, you know, where I do my work at. So basically, yeah, this is my desk. This is just how I keep up my appointments and stuff. I got my planner right here. Is there a girl should be two things, who and what she wants, Coco Chanel. So yeah, then I got another tablet down there. Got me some pens, some sticky notes. This calendar that I just keep right here. This is my keyboard for my iPad. Got my Apple computer right here. That's just a charger. And I also ordered me a mouse for my iPad or whatever. And then down there is just my printer, and then like a charging station that I don't know how to work. But yeah, that's my printer. And then I just have some binders and stuff, my yearbook, you know, some binders, some extra folders and typing paper and all this stuff right there. And then yeah, that's just junk. So yeah, this is that whole section. As you guys can see. So yeah, it's not much, but like I said, I like it and I'm content with it, and that's the only thing that matters. I like it, so that's all that matters. So when you turn to this side, I have my futon, and then I got this rug. This rug came from Walmart for $19.99. My futon also came from Walmart. I think it was $130 something. I don't know, it was $130 something. But I got this bear right here that my best friend, my boy best friend, bought me for Valentine's Day. And then these two bears I got for Valentine's Day. And these two bears I won at the fair. These pillows, all these pillows came from Walmart. This blanket came from Five Below. So yeah, I just had me a little couch in here, because basically this is what I'm gonna start doing, like filming my sit down videos. I'm gonna sit down, you know, on my couch or probably in my vanity. But yeah, I just want this to be like my room, because I don't like being in our bedroom, because Ted plays a game. He be extremely loud. So yeah, I had to give me a couch in here so I can just, if I want to take a nap or something, I can just sleep on here instead of like on my couch in the living room. So yeah, that's that. So just another look. Oh, let me show y'all my mirrors. These are my mirrors. I got these 4 mirrors from Walmart. They were like $4. And I just stuck them on the wall with command strips. You don't need no hammer, no nail, none of that. Just some command strips, and boom. And they gonna stay like, they been up here since we moved in, and they have not fallen yet. So yeah, quick little easy DIY. Y'all know I like mirrors and I like to take pictures. So yeah. So right here is my closet. Why is like my camera so zoomed in? I don't know. I can't zoom it out no more. But here's my closet. So let me just put the light on. We can just go in there. So this is what my closet looks like, you guys. The closet's gonna be real ugly in here. But anyways, when you come into my closet, it's real deep. As you can see, I have a mirror right here. I was gonna put this mirror on my wall. See, what I was gonna do, I was gonna take these this off the mirrors, but I couldn't get them off. So I just put this in my closet. But let me just back up. So basically, when you come into my closet, if you turn to the left, what you see are, you know, the rest of my purses that are hanging, and then I have some of my clothes that I tried to color coordinate. As you guys can see, there's just some of them. And then down here I just have some sandals and some boots and stuff or whatever. Up top I have majority of my shoes. The rest of them are in my car and MONTEZ car, and my mama got some on. So yeah, then right here to the right I just have some shoe boxes. I have an extra chair right here. I have, you know, my 2 hats hanging up. These are my robes, my, you know, my warm robe, and then like a little silk sexy robe. And then these are just some pants that I got hanging up, some jeans and stuff. And then this, as you can see, a basket full of clothes that, yeah. And here's another bear that I want from the fair. That's my waist trainer and stuff. Here's me again. Also, I got this mat on the floor. This is my yoga mat. So basically, I be trying to work out up in my closet, which is weird, but yeah, I do. I work out in my closet, so don't judge me. So let's cut that light off, close this door. Give y'all an overview. Oh, here's my favorite bear right here. I won this from the fair, and on the bone it says I love you. Well, I think Tez won it for me, but yeah, I just had it sitting right there in the corner because it's huge. But let me just give y'all another overview. As you can see the setup. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, it's kind of still empty. Like my walls are, oh y'all, my TV, I got my TV on the wall. It looks really small now. It's a 32-inch. When it was like on my desk, it didn't look that small, but now that it's on the wall, it looks small. But I'm going to order another one. I'm probably gonna get like a little 43 and put it on the wall. But yeah, so my TV is on the wall. But you guys, as you all can see, it's not that much. You know, it's not completely done at all, not even close, but you know, it's good enough for me to, you know, just give y'all a little tour and see how I got it set up, what it looks like or whatever, because I know y'all want to see what my apartment look like, because a lot of people be telling me to do an apartment tour, but I'm not ready yet. I gotta, you know, get some stuff together. My walls are empty, which I do not like, so I gotta get some things on my wall. I am gonna be doing like this little wall collage. I'm not sure like where should I put it. So you guys, you know, comment down below where should I put my wall collage. I was thinking about putting like around my mirrors, but not sure yet. But yeah, that's that. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you think I'm doing a good job with decorating, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell so you can get notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
They having conversations on the trending topic. I'm just trying to see what's in your fucking wallet. Type of bitch that make a nigga empty